वेट हाँ लेफ्ट में सानिया जी लेफ्ट
Okay.
Okay, so finally, the
Come
screening
this
is
side,
going
not so weird to be talking to the camera. हाँ. Now it's
Okay, so
fine.
finally it's the screening today. And
Yeah.
what's your feeling exactly that we want to know first?
I'm quite excited. And we've been screening and showing people the film from the past 1 month now. We went to Sundance, then to Berlin, and now it's Mami. It's a great feeling. I'm really proud of the film. I feel amazing, and for the first time, I'm not nervous before the release. I'm quite positive about it. This film is really close to my heart. Maybe that's why I'm really stress-free and chilled out during the release.
Okay, Sanya ma'am, first of all, looking very pretty.
Thank you so much.
Okay, only 2 days are left. So जब भी कोई मूवी रिलीज होगी मैं
2 days are left, 3 days. हाँ मतलब आज तो ख़त्म ही हो जाएगा. 2 days are
So
left.
जब भी रिलीज होने रहती है धीरे धीरे जब वक्त कम होते जाता है तो क्या फील होता है बटरफ्लाइज इन द स्टमक क्या
मेरे को वैसे मैं बहुत नर्वस रहती हूँ रिलीज़ से पहले और एंशियस रहती हूँ. अभी तक 3 फिल्मों तक तो मेरे साथ यही हुआ था. बट विद दिस वन आई एम प्रीटी चिल्ड आउट. आई एम नॉट एट ऑल स्ट्रेस्ड. आई एम नॉट फीलिंग एंशियस. I'm rather very excited about the release because as I said मैं बहुत खुश हूँ फिल्म से. और मुझे लगता है कि हम सनडांस बर्लिन से काफ़ी लोगों को दिखाते आ रहे हैं ना, तो मैंने अब ऑडियंस का रिएक्शन देख लिया, तो इसलिए मैं भी चिल्ड आउट हूँ और खुश हूँ.
ओके सर प्रमोशन की बात करें तो नवाज सब बिजी रहती है और ज़्यादातर पूरा आपके ऊपर ही आ चुका है. डू यू फील बर्डन?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं यार. अपनी फिल्म प्रमोट करना कोई बर्डन की बात नहीं है. थोड़ा टायरिंग हो जाता है बट जब फिल्म अच्छी हो और आप बहुत पॉजिटिव हो उसके बारे में तो खुशी होती है प्रमोट करते हुए, और ऐसी फिल्मों को प्रमोट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
ओके नेक्स्ट मूवी यू आर डूइंग विद आदित्य रॉय.
उनको भी पूछना दो. नहीं पूछो.
पूछा है तो कंप्लीट.
ओके आप नेक्स्ट मूवी यू आर डूइंग विद आदित्य रॉय कपूर और आज ही उनकी कलर का टीजर
हाँ जो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहा है. इट्स लुकिंग ब्यूटिफुल. आई सॉ इट इन द मॉर्निंग एंड आई विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट.
ओके, जैसे कि आपने कहा मूवी ऑलरेडी स्क्रीनिंग हो चुकी है तो आप पॉजिटिव है, लेकिन लोगों से क्या रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है आपको फिल्म?
लोगों को अच्छी लग रही है. किसे यहाँ पर इंडिया में माई फ्रेंड्स सॉ इट लास्ट नाइट एंड दे लव्ड इट. यूजुअली दे आर वेरी क्रिटिकल, और जो अगर अच्छा नहीं लगता तो मुँह पे बोलता है. तो थैंक गॉड ऐसा कुछ बोला नहीं है, तो उनको अच्छी लगी. आई होप लोगों को भी अच्छी लगे. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक्स.
अच्छा, can we have a boomerang?
Yeah.
So, can you come and get that?
सान्या को लेते क्या?
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
You say?
And we have more charge up.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, roll.
Roll. Done.
Okay, so Gurra, it's in screening for photograph.
Yes, I'm aware.
Yeah, and how much excited are you for the film?
Well, I think, it's a fabulous time for the films that are being made right now, the stories that are being told right now. And this, look at the trailer of the film Photograph, and it's just so much love in there that I can't wait to watch the film. Also, I think Mami has always had this little insight, on how to pick these beautiful stories that make you go through a journey. And well, I have to confess, this is the first Mami screening I'm actually attending, and I've been invited to, so I'm quite excited. Yeah.
Okay, Purnama, what do you like to say about the fresh pair of Nawaz and Sanya Monica?
I think both are very, very fresh. As individuals, as their own characters. You've always seen Nawaz play the bad guy. You've seen him play the goon. You've always seen him to be that person. And here he's just so simple, and it seems to be a love story to me from what I see in the trailer. And you've never seen him in a romantic role before. I think the last time we saw a glimpse of him being romantic was in that film, which was The 100 Years of Cinema, the short film, where he plays the husband and the father to a daughter. So I think this is the first time you're seeing him like that. And after the reviews that I've read about Sanya and her being an actor who one must look out for in the Berlin Film Festival, I'm super excited to see these two powerhouses of talent come together.
Okay, Purava, also I'd like to congratulate you. The Gully Boy has done a fabulous in the box
Wow.
office, more than 200 crore.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
See, I didn't know that.
So how proud do you feel being a part of a Gully Boy?
I think, I say this and I mean it when I say it. अगर मुझे एक passing shot भी करना होता ना उस फिल्म में, मैं कर लेती. Because इतनी खूबसूरत कहानी थी, इतने अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला. And then to end up working with, Zoya, Ranveer, and to be when I got to know of this film, I was like, this is a historic film. This is a film that will be deeply ingrained into the fabric of Indian entertainment. And ऐसी फिल्म का हिस्सा बनना ही मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. And now that I know that it's made 200 crores, I think it's just amazing to see the kind of stories people are accepting and going and watching these kind of films in theaters. And I think it's the time we should all go watch, appreciate and celebrate good cinema. Yeah, it's a good time.
गली बॉय के बाद आप बहुत ही जल्द डॉली किटी और वो चमकते सितारे में मल्टी स्टार मूवी पेडनेकर many more are there. So what is the status of the movie?
Well, I just know that I'm hearing a lot of positive things from the office. I haven't seen the film yet, but every time I meet Alankrita, all I can say is thank you, because for her to have, imagined me to be a part of that film and to give me the character that she did, and that character is insane. I think it's going to be amazing. Yeah. It's the first time you're going to see me out after Sacred Games, so I'm quite excited, like after Gully Boy, but I guess as an actor for the first time. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. I have a pleasure evening.
Thank you.
भैया अब बंद कर दो ना लाइट प्लीज.
Yeah.
फोटो के लिए हाँ अरे पहले वाला या मैम सर.
So first of all, big congratulations. The trailer and the response are getting a huge from the audiences. So what do you like?
ट्रेलर मैंने नहीं बनाया.
But the response are getting awesome. From the
Very
audience.
good. Thank you. Very sweet.
The response is huge from the audiences,
So what kind of comment you have get until now? The
About
appreciation.
my dad really liked the movie. My mom also liked it. और पता नहीं यार, it's coming out on the 15th. I hope people go and watch it in theaters.
Okay. So right now, only 2 days are left for the release. So what's the feeling right now? Are you nervous, excited?
I think it's really important that the movie is releasing in India first, and then it's going to release everywhere else. But it's really exciting for me that it's releasing in India first, and we are having the first screening in Bombay, where it is set. So.
Okay, Ritik sir, जब भी आपका नाम आता है, the people are very excited because you have got the various the projects in our Bollywood industry, like the Lunchbox and now Photograph. So do you feel the burden because there are the responsibility, people have the expectation with you?
I feel excited. I mean, the thing is that I spent so long. I spent all my 20s trying to get a movie made, and then I spent 4 years trying to get Lunchbox made. So I feel really excited to be working. I just feel like since then that Lunchbox is such a gift for me was because it just allowed me to keep working. So I love to write, shoot, edit, and I've been doing that constantly. So I feel more lucky than responsibility. I feel a responsibility towards myself, of course, to try to do good work, and I also feel a responsibility to do work that makes me happy, and I hope that it makes other people happy too. But that is up to them. But
okay, so what's after photography? Is there any project in your mind?
Yes, of course. Yeah, of course. I'm always working on the next thing. So hopefully I get to make it, shoot it this year, I hope.
Would you like to say, share something about your next project?
No, but as soon as I can, I'll tell you first. आपको पहले बताऊंगा sir.
Okay, so the film has two wonderful pairs.
Yeah, Sania Malhotra and Nawaz. Yeah.
But we have seen Nawaz, he is busy for some kind of projects and he is not there for promotional things and all.
He's joining us tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, for the promotions. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.